Hey everyone, Dalton here with Byrider Madison. Just wanted to make a quick video here, kind of explain how Byrider can help you get into a nicer, newer vehicle, like this like the Cherokee we do have here. Not only that, but help build the credit up as well, as we do help folks with credit challenges, whether it's bad credit, damaged credit, no credit. Automotive credit is huge for your credit, does great things to it. Obviously, making payments on time every month, because we do report to all 3 credit bureaus. We want to do it positively for you. Obviously, help build the credit up, not only just get you back on the road, but help build the credit so you can get into nicer, newer vehicles down the road. It just does huge things for you. It helps you get into nicer, newer vehicles down the road, which we want to try and do for you. Yeah, if you're looking for a vehicle, definitely reach out to us. Whether it's, if you have credit challenges, bad credit, damaged credit, no credit, stuff like that, give us a call. We want to see what we can do for you. Help you get into a nicer set of wheels, obviously build the credit back up. So if you are looking, give me a call, 608-663-1213. Talk to you soon.